Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a payment failed error in the CommBank app, start by checking your account balance to make sure you have enough funds. Confirm that the pay details, including the account number and BSB, are entered correctly. Check your internet connection and avoid using public or unstable network. What's better to do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and then swipe it away. And reopen the app and try submitting the payment again. If payments keep failing, log out and log back in to the app or contact CommBank support to check for account restrictions, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.